I've been playing with cars since I was like 12, so this was kind of just natural, and it just kind of got crazy really quick, and that's why I'm here. This shop I've had for 4 years now. I've had maybe 5 other shops before, but this is the first time. This is a private shop just for my toys, where we're just building SEMA cars, and we don't have it's not open to the public. It's just our personal stuff.
Customize my own cars, and then me and John have been friends for a long time, so kind of bumped into head 3 years ago with building the Gullwing, and ever since then, just kind of loved it and fell in love with building and customizing cars. Behind me is an SLK body chopped up with a fiberglass Gullwing chassis on top of it.
It's very different, it's never been done before. And we start with a 2002 SLK 32 AMG. It's all been chopped up, and this body sits on top of that, and then we kind of work around that. Okay, so this is the body here. It's a perfect replica of the original thing, minus the top, of course. The nice guys over at Airlift gave us a air ride kit. Toyo tires being our biggest sponsor. JL Audio, a bunch of new companies this year. Brembo. On this car, everything's going to be motorized, so this will be on actuators, this will be on actuators. This dash was completely handmade to kind of resemble the original dash. We're going to have a nice little plexi window to go on top of it, and yeah, it should be pretty cool. JL Audio is going to give us all the sound system equipment, so this thing's gonna really bang. It's gonna be loud. Parts for this car are really tough to find, so I just started making my own. So all these pieces are for that car. This, for example, is not the original style. I just changed it up a little bit, but this will look something like this. Then we're gonna have the exhaust pipes coming out of here, like on the old Stirling Moss car. It's a little dirty, but it's a big power plant for this car. Should be really fast.
This is the SLK 32 AMG that the Gullwing originally is based off of. As you see the car here now, it's completely gutted from fenders, hood, convertible top, trunk, rear quarter panels.
It's a lot faster, more comfortable, and still looks like a 55 Gullwing. The style comes from several things, I guess. I used to paint for a living. I've been painting graffiti for a long time. So there's a lot of that mixed into it, but I also like really wild cars. So like these cars, they don't really exist. We're creating them from nothing. So it's fun to do that, and going off of these really crazy renderings to get close to them is pretty cool.